हर साल एक ऐसा जेई एस्पिरेंट तुम्हारे सामने आता है जिसने 2 साल कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करी है, बट लास्ट के 2-3 महीनों में पढ़कर ही गॉट 99% आए। और ऐसे स्टूडेंट की कहानी तुमने कभी ना कभी तो या तो अपनी फील्ड में, अपने सीनियर से या फिर अपने कोचिंग के होर्डिंग्स में सुनी होंगी। तुम्हारे टीचर्स ने तुम्हें सुनाई होंगी ऐसी कहानियां जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स कैसे आखिरी के 3-4 महीनों में, 2-3 महीनों में, इनफैक्ट लास्ट के 20-30 दिनों में भी अपनी परसेंटाइल को यहाँ से यहाँ ले जाते हैं। एंड इफ यू want to be one of those students, this video is specially made for you, and this video has found his right audience. जब तुम कम टाइम सोचकर अपनी प्रिपरेशन को गिव अप कर चुके थे, he started his grind. He showed up every day. He showed up no matter what. लास्ट के 2-3 महीनों में या 20-30 दिनों में he was not searching for a shortcut. उसकी सर्च हिस्ट्री में ये नहीं होता था that how to score 99 percentile in last 30 days. His search history was how to find talk, how to actually calculate momentum, how do you actually solve questions where there is determinant, where there is adjoint. And you know what the most surprising thing, ऐसा कोई ना कोई एस्पिरेंट तुमने जरूर अपनी या तो कोचिंग में या फिर अपनी इंस्टा फीड में कभी ना कभी देखा होगा। और अगर तुमने नहीं देखा है ना, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, यू वेट टिल JEE 2026 results come. I bet you that there will be hundreds of students with the same story. How did they actually got 99 percentile, even above the 99 percentile in last 30 days, in last 40 days? But the actual fun doesn't lie in seeing others achieve their goals while you stand there clapping for them. The actual fun is actually in being in the limelight. What if I told you that you could be the next big thing? The child whose selection no one imagined. That one child whose selection no one had ever thought, even in their nightmares. Sit there for 10 seconds. Let me ask you a very simple question. What if I asked you this question that अगर तुम्हारा JEE का एग्जाम कल होता, so what would be your percentile? How much marks would we getting? और अगर तुम्हें ये आंसर देने में awkward लग रहा है ना, so my video has reached its target audience. You know what? JEE कोई sprint नहीं है कि हम एक दिन भागे, हमने अपना 100% दिया, अगले दिन हमने अपना 99% दिया and we are done. Bro, it's a marathon. You have to show up every single day. You have to be there no matter what the situation says, what your family says, what your friend says, what your coaching teacher tells you. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in the potential that lies deep inside you. JEE is simple. JEE is that marathon जहाँ पर एक कछुआ जीता है, ना कि एक खरगोश. For a very simple reason that he showed up every day. He maintained his consistency. He did not leave the spot. He did not quit the race no matter what.